Alright, here's the TS-440 from Kenwood. Just got it off of Facebook. I thought the price was pretty good. The only thing I notice is a ton of dust. There's just a whole bunch of dust on here like it's been open for a long time. It doesn't work. It only pulls about 1.3 amps at idle, and there's no display at all. So I pulled the screws out. Let's just take a look in here. I don't see it dusty in here. And we've got to get to the power supply, which I think, as I recall, it's here somewhere. I think we have to take, anyway, these screws out and stuff. Just looking at it, you know, initially, see how it appears. Alright, and then we'll have to get to the power supply and find out why it, I mean, it turns on when I hit the button, but the meter pegs and the display is completely off. So, oh, and I see the shield here, there's a screw missing. I didn't notice that initially. Yes, I have the switch dust cover. I put everything in a bag. I usually put it in a magnetic tray, but I'm missing an empty one at this point. But anyway, yeah, I took that off, put it out of the way, and yes, it was very dusty. So this didn't come with the CW or the sideband filter, but you know, maybe those can be got in the future. So that's it for the initial look of this thing. See what's wrong. A little bit of dust in the corners by the fan. The board looks very clean and fully assembled. Yeah. So anyway, I need to look up in the manual about what voltages are supposed to be where, but I got to get into the power supply first, so I shall return.